Did you know that black tea is the most consumed beverage in the world after water? Yes, you heard it right. Black tea, a beloved refreshment across continents, has steeped itself into the fabric of cultures far and wide, and for good reason. Let's begin by taking a step back to the roots of this global phenomenon. Black tea originates from the Camellia sinensis plant, a species native to East Asia. The same plant also gifts us our green oolong and white teas. What sets black tea apart, however, is its unique processing. The leaves are allowed to fully oxidize, resulting in a rich, deep color and a bold, robust flavor profile that's unmistakably black tea. From the misty hills of Darjeeling in India, known for their light-bodied and aromatic brews, to the lush landscapes of Assam, where malty strong teas are the specialty, black tea takes on diverse avatars. Across the ocean, in the highlands of Sri Lanka, Ceylon black tea, with its golden color and brisk taste, is a local treasure. And let's not forget China, the cradle of tea itself, where you'll find varieties like Keeman, famed for its floral and slightly smoky charm. Interestingly, while all these teas have unique flavors and aromas, they all share a common thread, the same base of black tea. This is a testament to the versatility of this beverage, its ability to adopt the essence of the place it's cultivated in, and yet retain its inherent character. But the allure of black tea goes beyond its taste and aroma. It's a ritual, a moment of pause in our busy lives. It's the comfort in a cup on a cold day, or the perfect companion to a heart-to-heart chat. It's that morning pick-me-up or the soothing sip before bedtime. So next time you sip on your black tea, remember you are part of a global community. But that's not all. Black tea is not just popular, it's also packed with health benefits. Stay tuned to find out more. Now let's dive into the real deal, the health benefits of black tea. Buckle up because this is going to be a healthy ride. First up, we have the heart. Now, who doesn't want a strong, healthy heart? Black tea is a champion here. It's packed with antioxidants known as flavonoids, which help reduce the risk of heart disease by decreasing cholesterol levels, improving blood vessel function, and reducing blood clotting. It's like having your personal heart bodyguard, protecting you from the inside. Next, let's talk about strokes. These are serious business people. Fortunately, black tea is here to help. Studies have shown that those who drink 3 or more cups of black tea a day have a significantly lower risk of stroke. So keep sipping that black tea. It's doing more good than you might think. Moving on to blood sugar levels. For those who are constantly in a tussle with their sweet tooth, black tea may be your new best friend. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing those highs and lows that can leave you feeling like a yo-yo. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes, but really, it's a win for everyone. Now let's journey to the gut. Our gut health is linked to everything from our mood to our immune system. And guess what? Black tea is a superstar here too. It contains a type of polyphenol called theaflavins that act as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of good gut bacteria and inhibiting the growth of bad ones. It's like a personal trainer for your gut. Cancer is a word that no one wants to hear. But here's some good news. Black tea contains potent compounds that may help prevent certain types of cancer. While it's not a magic bullet, it's a tool in the toolbox, and every little bit helps. Lastly, let's talk about focus. In this fast-paced world, who couldn't use a little help staying sharp? Black tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which can help improve focus and alertness. It's like a natural pick-me-up, without the jitters of other stimulants. With all these benefits, it's no wonder black tea is a favorite around the world. But wait, we're not done yet. There's more to black tea than meets the eye. Scene script. Black tea is not just a tasty beverage, it's a treasure trove of health benefits. Let's uncover some of these hidden gems. Picture this. You're sipping on a warm, comforting cup of black tea. Delicious, right? But did you know that every sip you take is also a step towards healthier, more radiant skin? Yes, it's true. Packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, black tea works wonders in rejuvenating the skin and reducing signs of aging. So not only does it warm you up, but it also keeps you looking youthful and fresh. But wait, there's more. Ever tried shedding those stubborn pounds and found it to be a Herculean task? Well, you might want to consider black tea as your new best friend. Research shows that the polyphenols and flavonoids in black tea can help accelerate weight loss by boosting your metabolism and burning fat more efficiently. So you see, it's not just a comforting beverage, but also a secret weapon in your weight loss journey. As we continue to delve deeper into the wonders of black tea, let's talk about immunity. In a world where we are constantly battling viruses and bacteria, having a strong immune system is crucial. And guess what? Your humble cup of black tea can play a significant role in this fight. Rich in substances known as tannins, which have antiviral and antibacterial properties, black tea can help boost your body's defenses, keeping you healthier and stronger. Finally, let's touch on one more hidden gem: the stress-reducing properties of black tea. Thanks to an amino acid called L-theanine, black tea can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. It's like a mini spa session in a cup. Who knew your humble cup of black tea could do so much? So next time you brew a cup, remember all the goodness it's bringing you. Let's quickly recap the amazing health benefits of black tea we've discovered today. We began by unveiling a surprising fact. Black tea isn't just a staple in many households, it's also a powerhouse of health benefits. We then delved into the specifics, exploring how black tea can help improve heart health, reduce cholesterol levels, and even aid in weight loss. But the wonders of black tea don't stop there. We also unearthed some hidden gems. Did you know that black tea can help boost your mental alertness and improve gut health? Or that it's packed with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage? And the best part, all these benefits come in a warm, comforting cup of tea that you can enjoy any time of the day. So there you have it, the remarkable health benefits of black tea. So go ahead, brew a cup and reap the benefits. And remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy, stay happy. Now before you run off, I do have a special gift for you. If you haven't already, make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comment and head on over to our blog and pick up your free home remedy book with over 2,000 homemade and natural remedies in it. It's 100% free and I know you will love it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video, as we're posting new natural health and nutrition content every week. And if you made it this far, thanks for watching and have a great day or night.